Hello friends, as we have discussed in the Python string, now we will continue our video. Now next topic is check string. To check if a certain phrase or a character is present in a string, it will return true or false with respect to a required input. So there is a string, the rain in the Spain stays mainly in plain. So we take a string and we will search in txt and return that into the x, and now see what will the result. True, because it's present in rain, Spain, and in plain. And next statement is not in the text, so it will return false because it's present in the text. Now next is concatenation, string concatenation. If you want to sum or combine two or more string, we use concatenation. It's a equals to hello, b equals to world, and the result is hello world. Hello world, but there is no space between hello and world, so to add the space we add a white space in between the two variable a and b. Now the result will be hello world with the space. String format, uh, Python variable can add string with an integer but with a format method. Let's see first. In case age equals to 36, text equals to my name is John, I am plus age. So if we will add this, it will show an error because integer cannot be added to a string. So to do so, we use a format method. uh, this is calibration used to pass the format age to a text message, and it will display the result. My name is John. I am 36. And same, if we have two variable, then it will show the result correspondingly. First age will pass in the first curly braces, and second phone will pass into the second curly braces. So the result will be this: my name is John. I am 36. I have two phones. Now moving on, next we have a space characters. Space character is to insert characters that are illegal in a string using escape characters. An escape character is a black slash followed by a single character you want to insert. So let's see, it's an illegal command. If we add, if we pass this string, now it will show an error because it's wrong to do like that. Now here we have a two escape characters. One is slash n, will move the cursor to the next line, and slash double quotes, it will put the double quote in that line. We are the so-called slash n here, and this you can see here, this is replaced with double quote from node, and these you can try by yourself. And thank you for watching the video. This is all for today.